Well, good morning. This is Captain Pop, and I have my assistant Grady with me. And we're down here in the bird sanctuary, the Priscilla Canal Bird Sanctuary, and we are going to be making some repairs on the sanctuary today. The railings have starting to fall apart. And Grady is a master mechanic, and he's going to be assisting me this morning in the betterment of this environment for the birds. Coming down to the secret shop where we keep all the tools, saws, nails, screws, everything we need to fix everything around here at the bird sanctuary. She's got the 5-pound sledge in her hand. She's going to be wailing on some timber with that for us in a few minutes.
I'll tell you what I can do. If you think that's heavy, oh yeah, watch what I can do.
Whoa, man, that chick is strong.
Watch what I can do. I have it. I can hold it in one hand up here.
Woo, that's 5 pounds. And Grady's got the power drill. Pop's got the chainsaw. We got the screws and the nails. We're heading down.
I never seen that one.
We got all the tools.
We'll go into the bird sanctuary.
Okay, and we're going to do some work. I made this sign. This is your great-grandmother's bird sanctuary, and her name's Priscilla Canal. Little stream coming down from a natural spring up above here, and it's restarted again, and it comes down and it's cutting its own little path through here. It's really nice.
Sanctuary. Hey.
This is the Grady River in the Priscilla Canal Bird Sanctuary. This is where we save all the logs. We can dedicate, this is the Lydia picnic grounds right here. The Lydia Marunowski picnic grounds, where children of all ages come and eat their lunches. Hey, good morning. Yeah. We always use trees for the wood in the nature sanctuary from fallen trees. We don't cut any trees down because we love our trees. Okay, there's the tree we're going to use to make the new stanchion and maybe the new section. When we go out in the woods here, we look for trees that have already fallen, like this one, and we're going to cut this up to make the railing. Here we go. Okay, everybody, here we are, and we just finished fixing the railing with the help of Grady and Lydia here at the Priscilla Canal Bird Sanctuary. Thanks a lot for helping me, you guys.